A quick update. We got the twins here. Yeah, Nola finally in her cage. It's a bit worse for wear after everything, but little redneck together. She's fine. It's fine. Whatever calms the girl down. Oh, sweetheart. Whatever makes you feel better, hon. There you go. There you go, sweetheart. Get your pad, get some food. There you go, your blankie. What a brave girl. We'll figure it out, sweetheart. Had to get to your brothers somehow. It's identical, except for the color and the gender. Absolutely something else. I'm glad you're doing good, sweetie. Just wanted everyone to see.